Good morning, Mrs. Cahill's friends. It is Wednesday and we are here to do our Never Corner, so let's get started. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, 2020. Make sure you have your May Hidden Picture grid with you. Ooh, we have an orange one today. I'll grab my orange pen. And we start on 56 and we go up how many times? 3. Very good. Let's put that on there. So start at 56 and go up 3. Like we said, we're going to start on 56 and go up 3 and then color. So let's start at 56 and go up 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. So if we look at it, remember we're going to have to write an equation. So we started at 56 and then we went to 46. How many is in between 56 and 46? 10, right. But we're not adding, we're subtracting. So it would be like 56 minus 10, minus 10, minus 10, and that would equal 26. All right, let's log that. So today is May 6th. Excuse me. We started at 56, and we went up 3. And our equation, like we said, was 56 minus 10 minus 10 minus 10 equals 26. Perfect. Yesterday we had 155 days in school. Let's see what we have today if we add one more. Let's count starting at 100. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, stop, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156. Very good. All right, let's erase this from yesterday. 156 days. Written form, 156 days. Hundreds, tens, and ones. How many hundreds do we have? There's 100 plus how many tens? There's 5 plus how many ones? 6 ones. Now our expanded form, remember, we can use our hundreds, tens, and ones in our total days to help us. So, how many hundreds do we have? We have 100 plus how many tens? 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, very good, plus how many ones? 6. And that equals 156. Fantastic. Remember, we are still collecting our quarters. Let's do our quarter poem. Quarter, 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 big and bold. You're worth 25, I am told. So how much is a quarter worth? 25 cents, right? Absolutely. So let's count what we have right now, and then we will add one more to our pile. I'm going to put it down here so that we can add it. Remember, this is how we count. So let's start here. 25, 50, 75, $1. Oh goodness, guess what we have to do? We have to take all 4 of these quarters, move them away, and we need to get $1 because now we have $1. Perfect. How exciting. Today is Wednesday, May 6th. Let's go over our homework for today. Watch reading lesson 6, 20 minutes of reading. Remember that can be with individually, with a partner, or both. It can be on Epic, books at home, anything you would like. No writing for today unless you want to work on your writing. Dreambox for at least 20 minutes. If you want to do more, that's perfectly fine. Watch Number Corner like you are doing right now. And Nature Bites activity. So it's kind of like the one we did last week with the mud minnow. Today it's going to be with something a little bit different, and I think you're going to like it. Also, remember your optional activities for art, music, and PE. Those are in this link provided right here. And today, if we were in school, we would have music. So make sure you check out that music one, okay, from Mr. Tolksdorf. Hope you all have a wonderful Wednesday and stay safe and stay healthy. Bye, friends.